How to buy Melania Trump token. So this token came under the symbol of Melania, but before that, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. So as you can see, make sure to read that. So as they said, please note that this token is not associated with Melania Trump. Exercise caution while trading and always do your own research. So, and also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap to be able to buy this token. Copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is available. It's under the Ethereum network. Open your wallet for that. Now select the Ethereum as a network, click on this plus icon, paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet, find your account, find your token that you just added. So this is our token, click on it, and here click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, but make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. After that, type how much you want to buy. And as you can see here, you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, it's easy and simple. Click on buy now and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Melania token. If you find it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.